everyone to today's webinar on building a successful marketplace with a Storemate Dokan. We are delighted to have you join us as we delve into an exciting world of creating and managing an online marketplace. So, for those who might not be familiar with the Storemate Dokan, it is a powerful and user-friendly tool that enables anyone to set up their own multi-vendor marketplace with ease. Whether you are an entrepreneur looking to expand your business online or someone with a passion for e-commerce, Storemate Dokan has the feature and flexibility to help you succeed. So, today we will walk you through how to set up and operate your own online marketplace. We will cover everything from the initial setup to managing vendors and products and enhancing the user experience to ensure your marketplace stands out. Joining me today is Nidhi. Nidhi will guide us through this journey and demonstrate how you can effortlessly set up your online store with StoreMate Dokan, even if you have no coding knowledge. Her expertise will be invaluable as we explore the practical steps and best practices for building a successful online marketplace. And we are excited to get started and show you just how simple and powerful creating an online marketplace can be with the StoreMate Dukan. So let's drive right in. Over to you, Nidhi.
Thank you, Ms. Pooja. This is Nidhi from Webcom Designs. I'll be telling you to build a successful marketplace with Stormit Dukan. First, in order to build a marketplace, the very first thing you require is a Rain theme and Dokan plugin, Rain Dokan add-on plugin. First, you need to Google Rain theme. The very first page you get is Rain theme. You can download the plugin from the theme from here as well, or you can visit our official website and download the theme from here. Once the theme has been downloaded, you need to go to your backend of your website and go to the appearance. You will find the theme section, click it, and you will be redirected to the upload theme section. Choose the file, upload it, and install. Will take some time. Now you need to activate the theme. Now it will suggest you the required plugin in order to give it full functionalities. So you need to install all of these plugins which are recommended. I have already installed all of these plugins. Here you can see. Next you need to Google Dokan plugin. Or you may install the plugin directly from your backend of the website as well.
Yes, if users only want or we only want the features of the free version, we can directly download it from here. And if we want the paid features, then we can visit their site directly.
You can install the plugin from here. I've already installed the Dokan plugin as well. Here you can see. Next you need is Rain Dokan add-on. You can purchase the plugin from here. Once the plugin has been purchased, you will get in a GIF format. You just need to click the upload plugin section. Choose the file and install it. So now you need to activate the plugin. I've already installed the Rain add-on plugin as well. Here. Now go to the theme installer. You can find the Dokan here. You can choose any of the demo available here. You can import the demo directly. I have already chosen this one and imported it in my website. I'll show you how to. Will recommend you all the required plugin for this demo. You need to install all of the required plugin. The optional plugin is your choice. You want, you can install the plugin or not. Here you can see once the demo has been installed, the front end of the demo will look like this. Here is the store section, here is the shop section.
You can show the home page. Once they hit on the installer button, the demo will be imported, and this is how it's look like with the
This is
home
how.
page. Yes, with the home page and some dummy content, so they can view how the website will look and can add their own products, their members, their wish list. So basically, what StoreMate Dokan is, it's a marketplace, online marketplace with community. So if someone has purchased the StoreMate Dokan solution, they will get a Rain theme, Rain Dokan add-on plugin, Webcom Essential plugin, Webcom Demo Importer plugin, and two WordPress add-ons, community add-ons like Reshare and Reactions. And if they purchase Rain theme uh, before, then they have to purchase the Rain Dukan add-on separately, because Rain Dukan add-on is what the integration between the Rain theme and the Dukan plugins. Dukan is a multi-vendor plugin, allowing you to have vendors on your site, so they can sell their products on your site, and you can earn commissions. So it will allow you the front end product posting, as WooCommerce is e-commerce plugin. From backend, admin can post product, but if you want multi-vendor website, then Dukan is a multi-vendor plugin, and it provides a front-end dashboard for vendors. From there, they can upload or sell their products. So please move forward, Nidhi.
Okay. Now this is where you can find your rain add-on settings. These are the features that is given by the rain add-on plugin. You can mark your product as favorite. You, as a vendor, you can also mark the product as favorite, and customer also can mark the product as favorite. If you enable this setting, you will get, in the front end you will get an option to mark the product as a favorite, and it will be added in your wish list automatically. Favorite list, sorry. Next setting is display store tab. Here you can see you get this store tab in your profile. If you enable this setting, you can see all the products which has been added by you.
And from here, you can directly visit to the store page
If you
also with the store button.
if you disable this option and update it, you will see that the store function has been lost. Now you can't see the store function here. Next setting is create product activity. If you add a product, it will be shown in your feed. Here I'll add a product and show you. Here you can specify the product name, and here the short description. You can set the price. You can specify some sell price. Set a product image and publish it. Now you can see in the feed it is showing that you have added a new product. If you disable this setting, sorry. Now the next setting is add review setting. Add review activity. If someone reviews your product, it will also be shown in the feed itself. Like if a customer writes a review activity, it will be shown in your feed. Sorry for that. If a customer purchases a product and writes a review, it will be shown in your feed. Order activity, like someone purchases the product and reviews about it, everything will be shown in your feed. It provides this feature as well. Now next is you can add multiple vendors here. You don't need to give the backend access. The vendors will be able to upload the product from front end itself. This plugin allows you to change the name, logo, etc. Your for the vendor. I'll show you that as well.
First, just show the customizer options what Ray Dukan provides. You in the new tab, you can open the customizer in inside appearance customize. Here they will find a Rain Dukan option, and it will have some layout settings for admin to set. The Rain Dukan option.
Here you can set your site name, the tagline for your business, and select site icon as well. You can upload the logo of your business as well from here. Once you have set all those things, you can publish the setting from here, and your store name will be changed. Next is uh, you can specify the role for your like from here you can select vendor, add the details and update it. Like name, first name, last name, how you want to display the name, email, website link. Address and update the user. Here you can see all the vendors to whom you have given the access of vendors. They can update their products.
So is there anything else left from your side?
Ma'am, yes, I've already explained all the required setting for this.
Okay. So you
That's all
can,
from my end.
okay, so you can stop sharing the screen, and we will now revise it, have a conclusion or recap it past what we have discussed so far. So you can stop sharing, I'll share my screen.
Okay.
So is my screen is visible?
Still my.
No, it must be showing my screen. Yes, it's showing my screen.
Yes.
So,
Yes.
in today's session, we have discussed so far how one can create an online marketplace with ease without having any coding knowledge. Just a simple click, drag and drop, and styling change options inside the customizer to give your online store a professional look to attract users to your site. So they and having a community integration, having a community feature so that they engage on your website, they spend time on your website. When you engage your users, your visitors on the site, and if they engage, if they stay longer, then there's a chances they will be converted into potential vendors. From those you can earn some commissions. So to initially to engage your visitors on your site, you need a community feature so they can interact with each other, they can like their post of each other, they can make friends, they can send private messages, they can have a forum and a group for common discussion. So once they have a community features, they are likely to stay on your site, they will engage. If you engage your visitors, they will likely to stay on your site, and once they stay on your site, they can be a potential vendors for you who will sell their products on your website, and ultimately you will earn some commissions from them. So what StoreMate Dukan is, it will allow you to have a professional website in just a simple clicks, and ultimately you can have some vendors to sell a product. So StoreMate Dukan is basically a integration between a community and a marketplace plugin. So the StoreMate Dukan package includes the rain theme, as we have already discussed. It includes the rain theme here, and Rain Dukan add-on plugin. So this solution is actually the combination of our two separate products, Rain Theme and Rain Dukan add-on plugin. Rain Dukan add-on plugin is solely for Rain Theme. It will only work with the Rain Theme, and it is an integration between Rain Theme and the Dukan Marketplace plugin. So if one already have a Rain theme and want to monetize their site to have the online store, then they can purchase the corresponding add-on. Like if they want, it depends on the multi-vendor plugin they are using. If they are using Dokan, they can go with the Rain Dokan add-on, and if they are using WCN vendors, WCFM, they can go with that respective plugins. And this solution includes Webcom Essential plugin. This plugin allows you to have some ready to use pages. They will allow you to, it will allow you Elementor inbuilt Elementor pages so that you can have a professional looking website in just a click. It's already provide you with inbuilt and ready to use templates, Elementor templates for pages, for separate sections. You can have your login page and you can have different sections. If I can edit the page with Elementor, I will show you. Then there is a Webcom Demo Importer plugin. This is a demo importer plugin, provides you with various demo. You can simply hit on any and import the one you like. You need to install the required plugin, and if you want Dukan Pro, you can purchase it separately from their website. And just hit on go to demo installer. Once you hit on this, there will be an option to install demo. You can hit on this. Note that demo is always for fresh WordPress installation at it, as it will override your existing data. So only import the demo if you do not have any content on your website. Then there are some BuddyPress plugins like BuddyPress Activity, Share Pro, and BuddyPress Reactions. These plugins are basically for community features, like Reaction will allow you to react on some activities, and Share will allow you to share your some post on your profile or the group you are a member of. Currently, I am not. The logged in user is not joined in any group, hence group list is not visible. Moreover, you can share your posts to social media platforms also. There are some backend settings for these plugins also. So you can set emoticons as per your choice, and you can set social media platforms as per your choice. So this is all about what bundle plugin provides. If we move to the range settings, as we already discussed, range Dukan settings, the theme provides some of the community settings. We have already discussed this in some of our webinar. So community settings is all about making your community pages UI better, having social media links on a community profile header. And Dukan add-on plugin is for your integration between community and Dukan plugins. So one can have some Dukan tabs on their community profile. So these are some templates provided by the Webcom Essential plugin. These are some pages, some sections. So you simply just need to hit on the insert and the whole page, or if you want section, it will be inserted on your page. And these are some settings for integration of community and Dukan. It will provide like store tab and favorite project tab on your community profile. Like this is the store tab. It will display the product, the currently logged in users, or if you visit any member, here's the member list. If you visit any member profile, you can simply navigate to their store tab and you can have an idea what they are selling. And from their community profile, you can directly visit to their store also. There's a visit store button for that. Next, if you have marked any product as favorite from the shop page or from single product page, there's an option to mark the product as favorite. You just have to hit on heart icon, and once it is marked as favorite, you can see this product on your wish list. So these are the some products the currently logged in users had marked as favorite, and I can see him on his profile. Next, if someone have posted a new product, there will be a activity for that on the community profile. This will actually boost the sale of the products one is selling on your website, because each and everyone will land on the site-wide activity page or the newsfeed page if they want to share their ideas or they want to communicate with the community members. And here they can see what is newly added to the website, or what is trending, or what the new vendor is selling, and it will encourage them to visit the product page and might be ultimately converted into the sale. You can also review the activities, and there is also an order activity available, as we have already discussed this. It will show the new product created and the order. Someone has ordered this to encouraging the members to purchase a new. Moreover, theme also provides with some customizer styling options. We have already discussed about the community styling in our previous webinars, and in this webinar we are only focusing on the marketplace. So we will only see the layout options we provide for the marketplace. So there are two layouts for the store list. This is your store list page. There's a two layout available one can choose from, and this is for the single page layout, whether you want this header to be on top, and if you want this header to be a full width or a container. This is a store list, and two layouts are available for this page. This is a single store page settings. So currently I have disabled the header. This is a website subheader. You can also disable the subheader, and if you enable the store page header, it will display the store logo, and it is currently container. I'll set it as full width. Like to publish. So header will display the info, some contact info about the store, location, contact info, rating, logo, store name. Next, there's a product page setting. If you want to show the vendor header, if you want to show the vendor's product section, or sold by, whom is the product sold by, or want to show the vendor info, you can enable it as per your requirement. The sidebar, you can control the sidebar from the widget section or from the customizer section. And theme is compatible with the Dokan plugin, and we already provide some Dokan extended features. So let's just have a look on how Dokan dashboard looks like. From where vendor can add products. From here vendor can add products. And the other members can visit their community profile to see what they sell. So this is all about StoreMate Dokan. I hope you enjoyed the session, and thanks for joining us today on this webinar. If you have, if any of one of you have any questions, we can take that, or we will wrap this session here. And if you have any queries, you can reach us via support page. It is available. The support tab is available on our website. You can visit our website webformdesigns.com, from where you can create a support ticket for any further queries. So, as we do not have any queries or questions, so we are wrapping this session here. Thank you all for joining us today on this webinar on building a successful marketplace with the StoreMate Dukaan. We hope you find the information and insights valuable, and that you are now equipped with the knowledge to start or enhance your own online marketplace. We have already recapped what we have discussed and how one can create their online marketplace. It's all about the products and the clicks, and in just a few clicks, you can have a professional website for selling your products. And a big thank you to Nidhi for her detailed walkthrough and experts' insights. Her guidance has been invaluable and demonstrating how easy it is to set up and manage an online store with StoreMate Dukaan, even without any coding knowledge. So we appreciate your active participation and hope you leave here inspired and ready to create your own successful marketplace. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach us via ticketing support. You will find a support tab on our website, from where you can create a ticket. And thank you again for attending, and we wish you all the best with your online marketplace ventures. Have a great day.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.